As long as something is permanently attached to the body, so then you don't have to worry about removing it during your ghusl, during your wuzu, and even at the time of death, right? So ये एक major, a lot of people stopped getting dental treatment because they were worried कि जब वो मरेंगे तो वो part of the body होगा, वो extra part of the body होगा.
Honest with you, I've been thinking about that.
I know. So this is something that a lot of people have discussed with the ulamas of every school of thought, right? So the consensus is that as long as it is non-removable, right? For example, braces हैं. Braces का eventuality is to come out, right? Dentures हैं, right? The eventuality is to be removed. So dentures का वजू तब होता है जब आप denture उतार के करते हैं, right? अगर आपके कोई चीज़ fix है such as a crown, which is replacing a part of your tooth permanently, so then you don't have to worry about having this removed. So this is same thing for fillings, right? Because fillings जो हैं वो आपकी particular element को cover करके वो permanently जुड़ी हुई, right? So they become an extension of the body, which is why उनका निकलना dental implants हैं, right? These are kind of things which are used for functioning, and hence since they are part of your body, तो आपको उनको remove करने की जरूरत है.
The things you mentioned are all correct in a fault. But what aesthetics?
Right, aesthetics का भी same rule. So here's what the kitab says or Sharia says about you cannot trim a certain part of your tooth for aesthetics. तो इसके लिए जो पहले के ज़माने में था, and there's a hadith attached to it, they would shave off. इसीलिए Bible बनाने के लिए कहा गया है, इसीलिए कहा गया है कि आप दांतों के अंदर एक specific चीज़ को आप हटा रहे हैं. As far as building is concerned, so this is where a lot of times there's a problem in the school of thought, right? कि हम उस aesthetic problem को braces से करें तो ठीक है, filling से करें तो problem है, right? So that's when ulama came up with the solution कि हम इसको अगर if it's permanent and if it's not done for just cosmetic reasons, अब उसमें खाना फंसने का problem solve होता है, उस पर आपके दांत की integrity movement restrict होती है. So there's a lot of things people can argue in every way. You'll always find people who are willing to argue कि ये तो हर तरीके से गलत है, and then you'll find people who say कि नहीं जी ये इस तरह भी हो रहा है, ये इस तरह भी हो रहा है. So they came up with a simple solution कि अगर वो permanently stuck है तो कोई problem नहीं, and if it's not permanently attached, then you will have to remove it at the time of wuzu, ghusl, etc. etc. So this is what I've spoken to because I do a lot of cosmetic treatment. हमने उनसे ये पूछा था कि हम तो पूरे पूरे दांत रिमूव करके नए नए दांत लगा देते हैं, तो कहते हैं कि वो पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करना है, उसमें अगर दांत खराब हुआ है, रूट कनाल ट्रीट हुआ है, डिसकलर हुआ है, तो फिर तो इट मेक सेंस कि आप उसको रिस्टोर करें. अगर एंड दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई हैव इम्प्लीमेंटेड इन माय प्रैक्टिस एज वेल. आई हैव सो मेनी पेशेंट्स हु कम एंड से जी सब चेंज कर दें, मैं कोई समझाता हूँ ज़रूरत नहीं. आज टुडे एंड दिस समथिंग आई एम जेन्युइनली वेरी प्राउड ऑफ, वी हैव अ पेशेंट हु केम इन फॉर व्हाइटनिंग because he said कि यार मेरे दांत इतने गंदे हैं, मुझे वाइट चाहिए, बहुत ही पीले है. We have whitening से पहले हम scaling polishing करते हैं as part of the whole package. After scaling and polishing, Dr. Hannah, our associate, she showed him the mirror and she said I think your teeth are perfectly fine, you don't need whitening. And the moment he said yeah, this is exactly what I was looking for. I wanted my teeth clean and I didn't realize कि वो whitening के बगैर भी हो सकता है. So अगर हम उस वक्त whitening करते तो हमारा भी ज़मीन ना मानता. And this is a lot of times हम खुद treatment refuse कर लेते हैं जब हमें feel हो रहा था कि it's a little too over treatment, right? So because this is something that we feel as well, तो जब तक हमें medical reason नहीं मिलता कि नीचे वाले दांत कितने खराब है, which is where a lot of the work that you will see me doing will have horrible befores कि दांत टूटे हुए हैं, खराब हैं, and it's not like कि जो बाकी वाले वो हम नहीं लगाते, right? I usually put front वाले ताकि because people need to understand that every treatment is not necessary. Sometimes something as basic with you, if you remember when we were having this discussion, the gap itself, आपने उस बार भी mention किया कि खाना भी फंसता है, चीज़ें भी irritate करती हैं. We also and your case was also one of those cases where we were concerned about your teeth moving as well, because that gap developed because of moving, right?
Because of my unnecessary extraction.
Right? So all of these are factors which contributed to it, right? So इसीलिए to give you some form of mental peace, religiously speaking, we've talked about this with a lot of ulamas and they've talked about how this is fine, right? As long as we have other valid reasons as well, not just one cosmetic reason. to begin with, because everything will eventually come down to cosmetics as well. Something as simple as peeling polishing can also be considered cosmetic. But I always tell patients, this is the cosmetic element is secondary. Gum health element is primary, right?
Yes,
so
but,
that's the difference.